How long does loss mitigation take? If you are facing financial difficulties and considering loss mitigation, you might be wondering how long this process takes. Loss mitigation is a way to help manage debts, especially mortgage debts, during bankruptcy. It involves negotiating with creditors to modify loan terms, temporarily suspend payments, or settle debts. The timeline for loss mitigation can vary based on several factors. First, there is the loss mitigation period. This is the time frame set by the court during which all parties work together to resolve debt issues. The initial duration of this period is determined by the court in a loss mitigation order. Typically, this initial period can last anywhere from 30 to 90 days, but it can vary depending on the specifics of your case. If more time is needed, the parties involved can agree to extend this period. This extension requires filing a stipulation with the court. If there is no agreement, a party can request an extension, which may involve a court hearing if another party opposes it. This process can add additional time to the overall timeline. Once the loss mitigation process is underway, it involves several steps. First, you will need to exchange contact information with your creditors. Then, you will be required to provide financial documentation. This documentation helps creditors understand your financial situation better. After that, conferences are held to negotiate terms that work for both you and the creditor. The completion of the loss mitigation process typically ends with a final report. This report must be filed within a specified time frame after the process ends. It is essential to keep track of these deadlines to ensure everything is completed on time. In some jurisdictions, applications for loss mitigation must be made before the first meeting of creditors. The court schedule and the complexity of your case can also influence how quickly the process moves forward. Overall, while the loss mitigation process can take time, it is designed to help you manage your debts more effectively. Understanding the timeline and requirements can help you navigate this process with greater ease.